Alright guys, I am at GTA Jeep and Trucks. Take a look at the lineup that I have behind me. Hey Neo, how's it going, my man?
Long time no see. How are you?
Long time, good.
Man.
What a lineup!
It's something, man. It's got all sorts of different lift kits over here. You're here as well,
yes.
Which is a fantastic looking truck, man.
Thank you, thank you. Finally got back into the game.
Yep.
But trucks.
Very nice.
So,
very good pick as well. The Ford F-150 FX4 package.
Yes.
That's gonna be a nice one, man. I've seen those things get built, man. Those look killer, man.
A lot of potential, huh?
Absolutely, for sure.
That's awesome.
That's
nice
awesome. Raptor grills on those, some LED lights, wheels, tires. So endless amount of mods on these things. As you can see, the vehicles that we got parked over here today, we got a Chevy Silverado with a 6-inch lift kit on this one. It's a rough country. Customer was able to put on 35-inch tires. You got a pretty nice negative offset, about a negative 24, sitting really nicely. This one over here is a Ram 1500, the new body style, pretty well modded up here. It's actually a 8-inch lift kit. We were able to squeeze in 37-inch tires. Got some, once again, really some deep offsets on them. This is a negative 51 vision wheels. Bumpers, front rear been changed. Grill's been paint matched and everything like that. So this is a really nice clean build. Then we got the Monster, of course, over here. So this is a nice restoration project. We had this at our shop actually for about a year or so. Bought this for pretty cheap. It was in pretty roughed up condition. We built it all up here at the shop. But look at this thing, man.
It's gorgeous.
Did some body work on it, brand new paint job. Front rear bumper's been changed, paint matched as well. Sitting on a 11-inch lift kit.
Wow, 11 inches.
We were able to fit 40-inch tires, 24-inch rims. So this is quite the beast, man. This is the show. This is pretty much a show vehicle here. Yeah.
Nice. I'm looking for a tonneau cover.
Yeah.
For the box at the back.
Okay. Yep.
Could we get something?
Yeah, I got a couple over here in stock today. One I would recommend, I have the Back Industries. It's a MX4 edition, so it's aluminum, hard folding. That would be a good one, actually. It's flush as well, so it'll protect all your goods. Locks with the door when the tailgate is closed, so that's a good one. And if you want to go with that one, let's get that.
Let's do it. So guys, that's what we're getting done today. It's a necessity for my business. I do carry a lot of gear, and so it's hard because I also have kids in the back, and so throwing in all my tripods and stuff like that, it's easier to kind of store behind. All right guys, so this is what we're getting done today. Let's head inside, pull the truck in, and let's have some fun.
All right,
thanks. All right guys, so this is all the hardware for the cover. Here's the cover itself. Alright guys, so as you can see behind me over here, we got the step guard and we got a handle that's propped up. So the Ford F-150 Sport Package and above comes with this, and it makes things a lot easier. Yeah,
so what we're going to do first to start off over here, I'm going to actually install the drain tubes over here. So this is what it does. These rails over here, they have a gutter-like system. So water would pool into here. It rolled down. This drain tube gets attached in here, and then it's supposed to leak outside the bed. Now, all the trucks have a hole in there for the drainage. Being that you have a bed cover, I do have to make a small incision over here just to get access to that drain tube. So once that's all installed, I plug that in, drain the tube out, install these side rails over here. Then we can put the tonneau cover and do a little bit of the assembly, and then it should be completed. So I'm going to go ahead and start drilling and get these installed. Yeah, so I'm going to connect the drain pipe right here to the slot over here, and that'll keep things from pooling in here over time. So what the tonneau cover comes with, it comes with these 3 foams, pieces of foam. What these are going to do here, we're going to stick them on 3 ways over here, slide them up. What that does is when this tonneau cover goes fully up, you don't want to make contact with your window and the tonneau cover, such as this. See here, it would make contact with it right there. And obviously, over time, that could cause some damage to the window. Also, it comes with these pop sticks over here. I can explain more of that later. It just kind of locks the tonneau cover in place if you want to leave it on stationary. lot of room for storage here. You can slide a few things in, and then just strap yourself down that way. Right. This is another option here as well. You're just carrying a mid-size amount of stuff, you know, just tall stuff. You don't want to have your tonneau covered. The majority of the time, you'll probably be seeing yourself locked up like this here.
Neil, thank you so much.
No worries, man.
It was good. This turned out fantastic.
Yeah, this is an awesome project, a must-have.
I can't wait to actually now use my flatbed, keep my stuff secure and dry and safe.
If you're looking for some Jeep and truck needs, come on by to GTA Jeeps and Trucks. We cater to all makes and models of trucks. So come on by if you're looking for tonneau covers, lift kit, wheels, tires, we got you. We also offer financing at our store as well. 100 days, no payments. Yeah, all you have to do is just go to Loans, sign up, and look for GTA Jeeps and Trucks and start your application, and come on by and we'll build your code for you.
If you guys are Jeeping, just remember to empty every pocket. And I'll remind you guys that there's a little subscribe button at the corner. Please smash it, tap it, click on it. If you like what you saw, comment below as well. Hit the thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.